Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Meta Business Suite not sending messages. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If replies fail to deliver or new messages refuse to send, there are several quick troubleshooting steps you can try to get everything working again. Start with a simple page refresh. If you are using Meta Business Suite in a browser, click the refresh button or press F5 on your keyboard to reload the page. This can clear temporary glitches and reload your current session. If you are using the mobile app, close the inbox section and reopen it so the content refreshes completely. Next, clear your browser or app cache. Go to three dots at the top right and then open Settings menu. In your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security and clear cached images and files. You do not necessarily need to remove cookies or save passwords. If you are using the mobile app, you can also clear the app cache from your device settings to remove outdated temporary data. After that, verify your account permissions. Open the Settings section inside Meta Business Suite, and then go ahead and click on this Profiles option. Once here, go to Pages section from this menu. Then look for Page Access or Permissions Management. Make sure your role has admin access or full control over the page. If your permissions are limited, you may not be allowed to send messages on behalf of the business page. If the problem continues, test Meta Business Suite on another browser or device. For example, if you are currently using Chrome, try opening it in Edge or another browser. Finally, completely log out of your account and then sign back in. Refreshing your session can fix authentication issues that sometimes prevent messages from sending even when everything else appears normal. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Meta Business Suite not sending messages. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.